This is the story of how one Elizabethton, Tennessee seller unloaded an inherited rental, bad tenants inside, major repairs, no eviction required. They inherited someone else's problem, the tenants, the damage, all of it. Favor Home Solutions took it off their hands and they never had to look back. Here's how it happened. When they inherited the property in Elizabethton, Tennessee, it wasn't the straightforward bequest they might have hoped for. The house came with a history, deferred maintenance, years of where the previous owner hadn't addressed, and tenants who had made a difficult situation considerably worse. From the moment they became the legal owner, they were dealing with a property that was both physically deteriorating and legally complicated to exit. The tenants weren't cooperating. They were behind on rent, not taking care of the property, and showing no signs of leaving willingly. On top of that, the house needed significant work, the kind of repairs that would cost tens of thousands of dollars before any conventional buyer or lender would touch it. The seller faced a double burden, an occupied property they couldn't easily access, and a structural and cosmetic condition that made a traditional listing completely unrealistic. They had looked into their options, and none of them fit. Pursuing a formal eviction through the Tennessee courts, while managing an estate and trying to prepare a damaged home, was more than they could take on. Hiring a property manager to hold the rental wasn't a solution they wanted. They needed to be done with it, not managing it indefinitely. And the MLS wasn't a real option with tenants in place and the property in its current state. Then, after researching how to sell an inherited house in Tennessee, they reached out to Favor Home Solutions. They buy inherited rentals across Elizabethton and all of Tennessee, tenants in place, as is, with no eviction required. The seller explained the full picture honestly, the tenants, the damage, the inherited nature of the property, and the desire for a clean, quick exit. From there, the whole burden came off their plate. First, Favor Home Solutions made a cash offer on the property as is, with the tenants still in occupancy. Then the closing was structured so no eviction was required on the seller's part. And finally, after closing, the tenant situation became Favor Home Solutions' responsibility entirely. Here's what the seller walked away with. The property sold with the tenants still inside, no eviction filed, no court process. It sold completely as is, years of damage and deferred maintenance and all, no repairs. And the entire situation, tenants included, was no longer their concern. Look at the numbers. 0 evictions the seller had to file. $0 spent on repairs. Favor Home Solutions took the property subject to occupancy and took on the full rehab and the tenants entirely after closing. And a property that had been nothing but stress became someone else's project. No eviction to pursue through the courts. No tens of thousands in repairs to fund. No property to manage indefinitely. No listing that would stall on condition and occupancy. The inherited problem, tenants, damage, and all was simply gone. The result? The closing happened on a timeline that worked for the seller. They walked away with cash from a property that had been nothing but stress, and the entire situation, tenants included, was no longer theirs to carry. Maybe this situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee heirs and landlords in all kinds of circumstances. An inherited rental with problem tenants, major damage you can't afford to fix, an estate still in probate, occupants you don't want to evict, any condition, or simply needing a clean, fast exit. If you've inherited a property in Elizabethton or anywhere across Tennessee, tenants, damage, probate, and all, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is, tenants in place, no eviction, no repairs, and we take over the occupancy after closing. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.